Meet Mrs. Thomas Scott Jackson. This exquisite portrait, painted by the renowned English artist George Romney around 1770, offers a glimpse into the elegant world of 18th century society. Romney's masterful technique captures the delicate beauty of Mrs. Jackson, from her soft, pale skin to her intricately styled hair. Her elegant gown and shimmering cape hint at her social status and the fashionable trends of the time. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, this painting serves as a historical document. It provides insights into the values and aspirations of the Georgian era, where beauty, grace, and social standing were highly prized. George Romney, one of England's most celebrated portrait painters, was renowned for his ability to capture the essence of his subjects. His works, like this one, have become iconic representations of the Georgian aristocracy.